traveler's new way of doing driveways. He will be out knocking on doors with his Henry shortly.
Right, I've seen it all now, chaps. I've seen it all, yeah? How we doing? How are we getting on?
Alright.
You doing a bit of... Are you doing a bit of hoovering?
Filming this for any particular reason?
I was just going to put it on my website because I've never seen it done before.
Okay. Well, we're never too old to learn a trick, eh?
Give us a look. Does it actually work, like?
Yeah?
Go on, give us a look at it, please.
I'm only doing this because otherwise if I use the boss's name, it's
That's it, yeah. I just want to show the people, like...
dig it out there.
Yeah. I might start doing this myself. Saves all the mess, doesn't it? Saves...
In all seriousness,
Yeah.
do hope you're not taking a piss at me.
No, honestly.
Why would he be taking the piss? Out of you. That's a lot less messier than a jet wash.
No, lad, see that? No mess. No dirt, and the neighbours don't complain as well with all the noise, you know what I mean? Thank you very much, sir.